Every sewing project starts with the right machine. Whether you're repairing clothes, creating home decor, or crafting custom designs, best SINGER sewing machines offer dependable performance, user-friendly features, and versatile stitching options to help beginners and experienced sewists achieve professional-looking results. In this guide, we'll explore the top SINGER models that deliver excellent value, reliability, and sewing convenience for a wide range of projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 5. SINGER S0230 Sewing Machine. The SINGER S0230 sewing machine is an excellent choice for anyone who wants professional-looking seam finishes without the complexity often associated with sergers. Designed for beginners and experienced sewists alike, this machine offers versatile 2, 3, and 4-thread stitching options that make it suitable for a wide range of sewing tasks. Whether you are creating garments, hemming lightweight fabrics, or adding decorative edges to projects, the S0230 provides the flexibility needed to achieve clean and durable results. One of its most user-friendly features is the color-coded threading system, which simplifies what is often considered the most challenging part of operating a serger. The clearly marked threading paths help reduce setup time and make learning the machine much easier for new users. The adjustable differential feed is another standout feature, helping prevent fabric stretching, puckering, and distortion when working with knit fabrics, stretchy materials, or delicate shears. This ensures smooth, professional-quality seams regardless of fabric type. Performance is equally impressive thanks to its high-speed capability of up to 1,300 stitches per minute. The machine trims, sews, and finishes seams simultaneously, significantly reducing project completion time while maintaining a polished appearance. This speed makes it especially useful for larger sewing projects or frequent sewing sessions. Number 4. SINGER Metal Sewing Machine. The SINGER HD500 Classic metal sewing machine successfully blends vintage-inspired styling with modern sewing technology, making it a standout option for sewists who appreciate both appearance and performance. Its elegant design adds character to any sewing space while housing a range of practical features that support everything from everyday repairs to advanced creative projects. One of the most impressive aspects of this machine is its powerful motor, which delivers significantly more sewing strength than many standard household models. This additional power allows the HD500 to sew through thick fabrics such as denim, canvas, upholstery materials, and multiple fabric layers with confidence and consistency. The machine is well suited for users who regularly work on demanding projects that require strong needle penetration and reliable stitch formation. The built-in needle threader simplifies setup and helps reduce eye strain, while the one-step buttonhole feature creates professional-looking buttonholes quickly and consistently. Customization is another major advantage, with adjustable stitch length, stitch width, and needle position allowing users to fine-tune settings for various sewing techniques. Whether installing zippers, creating decorative accents, or performing precise top stitching, the machine offers the flexibility needed for accurate results. Its full metal frame contributes significantly to overall stability, minimizing vibration during operation and supporting smooth performance even at higher sewing speeds.
Number 3. SINGER M1500 Sewing Machine. The SINGER M1500 sewing machine is designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind, making it an excellent option for beginners and casual sewists. Despite its approachable design, it offers enough versatility to handle a wide variety of sewing projects, from basic clothing repairs to creative crafts and quilting projects. Featuring 6 built-in stitches that provide 57 stitch applications, the M1500 allows users to work with straight stitches, zigzag patterns, blind hems, decorative scallops, and buttonholes without feeling overwhelmed by excessive options. One of the machine's most beginner-friendly features is the stitch selector dial, which clearly displays each stitch option and allows quick changes with a simple turn. The preset stitch length and width settings remove much of the guesswork commonly associated with sewing machine adjustments. This helps new users focus on learning sewing techniques rather than worrying about complex machine settings. The 4-step buttonhole system is clearly marked and easy to follow, allowing users to create custom-sized buttonholes with confidence. Threading is also simplified thanks to clearly illustrated guides located directly on the machine, making bobbin winding and upper threading much easier to understand. These thoughtful design elements contribute to a smoother learning experience and reduce frustration for first-time users. The machine performs well on a variety of lightweight and medium-weight fabrics, offering dependable stitch quality for everyday sewing needs.
Number 2. SINGER Quantum Sewing Machine. The SINGER Quantum Sewing Machine is a feature-packed model designed for sewists who want maximum creativity, precision, and convenience in one machine. With an impressive collection of 600 built-in stitches and 1,172 stitch applications, it provides nearly endless possibilities for quilting, garment construction, home decor projects, embroidery-style embellishments, and decorative sewing. Whether you're an experienced sewist looking for advanced customization or an ambitious beginner ready to expand your skills, the Quantum Stylist 9960 offers the tools needed to bring creative ideas to life. One of its most appealing features is the ability to use mirror imaging and stitch elongation functions, allowing users to customize decorative stitches and create unique patterns that stand out. The machine comes equipped with an automatic needle threader that significantly reduces setup time and eliminates one of the most frustrating aspects of sewing. The top drop-in bobbin system features a transparent cover, making it easy to monitor thread levels and avoid unexpected interruptions during projects. Another major advantage is the extensive accessory package included with the machine. 13 presser feet support a wide range of sewing techniques, from quilting and embroidery to zipper installation and rolled hems. Additional accessories such as bobbins, quilting guides, needles, and a large extension table further enhance its versatility.
Number 1. SINGER Buttonhole Sewing Machine. The SINGER Buttonhole Sewing Machine is a versatile and dependable option for sewists who need a machine capable of handling both everyday sewing and heavier-duty projects. Built with a stronger motor that provides enhanced piercing power, this machine is designed to sew through multiple layers of fabric and thicker materials with ease. Whether you're working on denim, canvas, upholstery projects, home decor items, or standard garment construction, the machine delivers reliable performance and consistent stitch quality. One of its strongest features is the variety of stitch options available. With 32 built-in stitches providing 110 stitch applications, users can easily switch between basic utility stitches, stretch stitches, decorative patterns, and buttonhole functions. This versatility makes the machine suitable for beginners learning fundamental sewing skills, as well as experienced users exploring more creative techniques. The one-step buttonhole feature simplifies what can often be a challenging task, producing uniform and professional-looking buttonholes with minimal effort. The included accessory kit adds significant value by providing a walking foot, non-stick foot, clearance plate, quilting guide, heavy-duty needles, zipper foot, button sewing foot, and additional sewing tools. These accessories expand the machine's capabilities and make it easier to tackle a wide range of sewing projects without purchasing extra equipment. Choosing the right SINGER sewing machine depends on your skill level, project needs, and budget. Each model on our list offers unique strengths, from beginner-friendly features to advanced sewing capabilities. Pick the one that best matches your goals and enjoy smoother, more efficient sewing for years to come.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.